Step 1. Assemble a flat zigzag alternating between red and yellow tubes. Step 2. Bring the zigzag down to the diagram below. Begin putting the tubes on the side shown by the diagram. Make sure the zigzag is touching the table where the circles are drawn. The purple tubes go on the close side, and the blue tubes go on the far side. Step 3. Once 14 strips are completed, begin putting the strips together. Connect the top of one strip to the bottom of another strip. Make sure the colors are all pointed in the same direction. As you can see, all the yellows are pointed up and to the right in this assembly. Assemble a unit that has 4 strips on the bottom row and 3 strips on the top row. This will be half of the completed piece. Once the two halves are assembled, connect them together. It can be tricky to find exactly where they start, but by placing them on their side like this, you can see where they want to go together.